guys, thanks for joining me for another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you the items that I received, a little happy mail from Travelers Company here in the United States. A couple of weeks ago, they released their new theme and I absolutely love it. Really, you know what? Whatever Travelers Company releases, I love it. And so I got a couple of items. Well, it looks like I got 10 items because I wanted to get the tag. If you spent $75 or more, you received a free leather tag. And so, yeah. All right, so when you order from Travelers Company, you also will receive, now I don't think it's every time, but it's kind of random when you'll receive a magazine from them. I love their magazines. So this is the Traveler's Time, On the Road Again. So you open it up. It's a nice article in here. Then, hello, I am a traveler. I thought I didn't receive this one, but I might have. So this is Traveler Company's partner shops. And these are things that you can do at their partner shops, which is awesome. And this is an article about how you use Traveler's notebooks, and the way they use them are just amazing, y'all. Just amazing. So I do read these, so I can't wait to read it. I am just so into these TNs. I am. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So the theme this year was Love and Trip. And so this is the leather tag that you received if you spent $75 or more. And it says Love and Trip, Travelers Company. So what I'm going to do, this is my hotel, my brown hotel. And of course it has this beautiful rose gold. I'm going to add this here. So that's going to look really cute. And I'll probably put the key over here. I'm just going to add this right here. See how that's going to look? Cute, right? So excited to have that. Okay, that looks great. All right, so the first item, can't move away from this light, is a clear folder for my passport. This says Love and Trip. Have a nice trip with love. Look at this. So it's a guitar, play music, drink coffee, watch a movie, read a book, bicycle, ride a bike, the earth, travel, flying somewhere, local food, beer, wood, peace, and record. So I love this. Put that to the side. Next thing I got is another accordion fold paper. And if y'all have seen, I did a video on sharing one that I did of my granddaughter, one that I did on my way to Austin, and I'm going to the Chicago Planners Conference, and this is what I'm going to use to document those days. Instead of using like a whole insert, even a short trip has a lot more days, but I love these accordions to use for that. Okay, and then I got a craft notebook. And the craft notebooks are beautiful. They're just craft paper throughout the whole thing, but they're so gorgeous. And then I have one that is the MD paper cream. So this is just cream paper. Okay. And then I got a new sticker release paper book. And so you can put all of your stickers. I think I'm going to make one just for either just for coffee or just for traveling. Haven't done much traveling. It is November and I haven't done much. I went to Austin. That's it. But you can see it's really shiny. And you just put the stickers on here. You can put washi tape on here and it just comes right up. Now, I don't like the pink, so I will decorate the outside of this. All right. This is going to look so cute in here. I'm not going to set it up on this video, but I will have a TN video where I just kind of show you what I'm doing. So this is Love and Trip. And oh my gosh, I love these. Look at this. Traveler's Beer. Photo, little cat. This, I love this. And I love this green. I saw the Love and Trip actual Traveler's Notebook, and it has a green insert. So that's so pretty. Knocking stuff over. All right, then got pencil boards. Got to get some pencil boards. This is for my passport. And this is blue. Stand by me. Let's stay together. Hello, it's me. You are the sunshine of my life. Love this music. Baby, I love you. Add flowers to your traveler's notebook. Love, peace. All the travelers need is love. And then this one is for my standard. And y'all let me know below if you are interested in watching me play in my TNs. I don't show that very much on this channel because I'm not sure if we have a lot of interest in that. But let me know because I like playing in them. And not really planning, but journaling, memory keeping, along with some other things. Everybody needs somebody to love. I wish this was green. Like, I wish. It does go with this though. Look, it still pops. You see that orange? It pulls out here. Orange in the Traveler's Beer. So it still pops. I think I love green. Okay, those are nice. And then I got 2 sets of these because I like getting these for the stickers. So this is the customized sticker set. Comes with 6 sheets. And this is what you can use to customize the front of any of your inserts. I like to use these on the inside, but I love using them on my craft folders as well. So this is the stickers. All the travelers need is love. Why can't we be friends? Love and Trip, one love. Okay, and then this is what's usually with them. They have tabs. So you can get these tabs can go on the side. Like if you have the monthly, they can just go on the side of your insert. And they have multiple colors. So you can have orange, you can have green, you can have blue. One day, you know what? I'm going to try it one day. I'm going to try that. I try to stay away from, I'm not going to say too much color, but yeah. Maybe it makes me feel like it's really busy. But when you look on here, look how nice that looks though. I don't know. I might try it one day. Maybe. So these are some stickers. And then we have some dots. Goes along with the same color. And then I love these. These are pockets. And so you can just open it up. But when you tear it out, you open it up. And the back sticks, a side stick. But you can just go straight through here. These are pockets. Every traveler's notebook is filled with love. I love these. I'm going to use these this year too, for sure. And then we have some, there we go. This is some functional stickers. Nice. So I don't think I've used these before. These look like, yeah, these are rub-on stickers. These look like rub-on. I could be wrong. If you know for sure, let me know, but I believe so. Let me see. Yep, dry transfer. I call them rub-on stickers. But this is the customized. I love these. I can't wait to decorate these and play in these. Oh, so I do have this magazine. So this is what I did with it. I just got one of these clear pockets and I put the magazine in there. I learned how to do this from Amanda Lee Plans. So every time I open up this one, I love it. So yes, so I do have this magazine. I thought it looked familiar though, especially when I start going through it. This came with this planner and I just like to keep it. I just keep it right here. So like I said, I haven't been on very many trips. I am going to change all this out because I don't think I like these little cards I put in here. So I'll get a chance to figure it out. And this year I went to Austin. I created this on Canva for those of you who haven't seen it, and went to, I'm not going to take it out, but went to Austin and Waco, stayed at a tiny house, spent the day in Magnolia, went to the Museum of Illusions, also went to TRS, declared retirement, excited about that. So I'm in love with these accordion inserts. And then I have my Yoseka insert, all about traveling. Look here. Have went where? Nowhere. But guess what? I'm going to Chicago tomorrow, and I'll probably be able to do some writing in here, maybe throw some pictures in here as well. Maybe I ought to just not do the accordion and then add Chicago in here and just keep this going for next year. And then I have this little pocket folder and it just keeps some stickers in here. I'm going to replace that though with this sticker book right here. And that's it. That is it. I'm going to throw all this in a bag and I'm going to play with it when maybe tomorrow I'll have a little free time and take everything with me and grab a new craft folder so I can do a little decorating on there. But yeah, there we go. But I love it though. But yeah, haven't done much traveling, and so maybe I might just go ahead and start that in here. All right, well, thanks for joining me. I'm really excited about 2025, and I'll start resetting up some of my tins. I've not been as consistent as I usually am in those, so they're not really changing. I'm not going to just start a new insert and I haven't finished anything. So I'm just going to keep the journaling going, keep the memory keeping going. So everything is really the same, but I'll still go through and because I'll tidy them up just a little bit, just like I'm going to do this one too. And so if you're interested, let me know below. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel and you're just stopping by, consider clicking on that subscription bell and subscribe to the channel. It's a great family. And if you're interested in knowing when I upload new videos, click on the notification bell. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. And don't forget, take charge of your life one plan at a time. See you soon.